Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video let's learn about how to log into Sainsbury's online banking. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for Sainsbury's bank. Now click on this first website over here. Now click on customer login/register on the top right corner. We can see various options for login. Since we are logging in for savings, you can go for this one, or you can choose any as per your need. Let's click on login now. Now enter your username here, and if you want your username to be remembered after you get back, simply click on remember me over here. Now we need to enter the 3 digits of our mobile number, that is last 3 digits. So let's start here. And once you are done all of this, simply click on continue. After which we'll get a code in our mobile number, after which we can log in to Sainsbury's online banking interface. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.